My name is Frank Klinke and I'm the plant manager at Erfurter Malzwerke. Erfurter Malzwerke operates 2 facilities in Germany dedicated to malt production for the brewing industry. Malt production is an energy-intensive process, and for this reason we always strive to make our processes as efficient as possible. We dry our malt in drying units that use large heat exchangers, and we notice that the drying efficiency drops when we can't achieve our desired temperatures, when the drying process takes too long. When that happens, it's time to clean the heat exchangers. Up until now we have always done this using high-pressure cleaners and a lot of water, taking about 10 hours to clean the exchangers. That's why we started looking for a more efficient cleaning system and came across the company mycon online. We borrowed a test unit from them, saw how efficiently it worked, and subsequently decided to install an automated system from mycon. With this system we clean the exchangers effectively in just 2 hours without manual labor, and we also don't have the sludge buildup we used to. It's a relatively clean cleaning process. And after cleaning, the efficiency levels of the exchangers are restored to the original state. So with this cleaning we can A. save time, as the cleaning processes are much shorter, and B. save energy, since the efficiency of the heat exchangers improves again. Hence, we are very pleased with our decision to install the cleaning system from mycon.